Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on sleep mode on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, you will find the option of focus. Just tap on it, and from here, just tap on sleep. And by doing that, you will enable sleep mode on your iPhone. Now, if you want to enable sleep mode by using the action button, just open settings, then tap on action button. And from here, just swipe to the left or to the right side and select focus. And in focus, just tap on all focus modes. And from here, just select sleep mode. And by doing that, you will be able to enable sleep mode by pressing and holding the action button. Just like that. Now, if you want to set up sleep mode on your iPhone, just open settings, then tap on focus. From here, just tap on sleep, and on this page, you will be able to set up sleep mode on your iPhone. First of all, if you tap on people, you will be able to silence notifications from selected contacts on your iPhone. Just tap on the plus icon over here and select the contacts on your iPhone. After that, just tap on done. And from here, you can select what type of calls you want to allow during sleep mode. You can either select everybody or you can select any of the other options. After that, just tap on done. Now, beneath people, you have the option of apps, and from here you can select specific apps for which you want to disable the notification sound during sleep mode. Now, if you tap on the plus icon, you can select the specific apps which you want to mute, then tap on done. And finally, you have the option to schedule your sleep mode. Now, if you tap on tonight, you can set up sleep mode. Just like that. And if you want to delete this focus mode or the sleep mode, just tap on delete from here. And this is how you can turn on sleep mode on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.